guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about flies and how to get rid of them, how to get them out of your house, how to prevent them at your picnic table. Yeah, super annoying. You have friends over in your backyard and then, you know, you're serving dinner, lunch, and then those pesky flies show up. Well, today I'm going to show you some natural ways to get rid of them, to deteriorate them, to prevent them from coming around. All right, let's get started. There's going to be two different ways that I'm going to show you today. So the first thing that you're going to do is get some pure and natural peppermint essential oils. So that's one thing that you're going to need. You're going to need a empty spray bottle, and then you're gonna need some Irish Spring soap. I also use this in another video, so I'll put a link in the description box below. This also deteriorates another kind of an animal. For the peppermint, you're gonna take your spray bottle and go ahead and fill it up with just some plain water. And then you're just gonna add, this is a really big bottle, but the more you use it, the better it's gonna work. So for a bottle like this size, which is about 3 flow ounces, I would probably go ahead and use 3 full dropper fills of this. And then you just go ahead and stick it into here. I've already done this. And then for the Irish Spring soap right here, what you're gonna do is you don't wanna just throw this out there, which you can, and I'll show you how you can do that here in a second. But what you really wanna do is take a knife and just kind of shred it a little bit. You could use a cheese grater if you wanted to, or just kind of shred it up and chop it up just like this. No, it looks a little funny. And this is not toxic to animals either, so this is one reason why I like using this method. So I have my bar cut up. I didn't do all of it, but you can definitely do it as much as you need. And let's go ahead and go outside. And then all you're gonna do is take this soap right here, and then you want to just sprinkle it around your house. Another option that you could do is take this and actually drill a hole in it and put a string through it, and then you could hang it close to your door. Now, I do suggest hanging it on the outside of your door, not on the inside of your door. So you could just put it up there, let it hang down if you're cool with that, if you don't mind a bar of soap hanging. And you can also take those bars of soap and put them in a chair before you have a party. So using that soap is definitely gonna be like your long-term solution to trying to keep those flies away. But if you are in a pinch and you're having a fly issue right away, get that peppermint oil with the spray and let me show you how to use it. All right, so you have your peppermint spray, and all you're gonna do is spray the area where you want to keep those flies away. I would spray all over your table and chairs. Well guys, I hope these 2 tips help you alleviate your fly problem at your house. The soap also works well if you have chickens, so you could leave like a bar of soap, you know, go ahead and do that drill and hang some bars of soap around your chicken coop. They're not gonna get to it, and it will help that as well. So anyways guys, I hope you found this helpful. Let me know down in the comments below if this worked for you, or if you have any other ideas on how to alleviate the fly problem that you might be having. And give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Okay, we're back inside because somebody was weed eating. But anyways, hope this works for you guys. And if you want to know how to clean that fabric softener dispenser in your washer, click on the video link right here. Until the next time, we'll see ya. Bye.